Okay, you guys, we're going to do our math lesson now. This is math lesson 117. This is our guided class practice, side A. Our first problem for the day says, Erica bought 3 folders for 23 cents each. How much money did she spend? Okay, so we have to think of the problem, and then we know that she bought 3 folders for 23 cents each. I think we're going to have to multiply, so let's go ahead and put that there. All right, so we're multiplying 3 times 23. Okay, you can do it mentally. We say 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 69 cents. All right, we just learned about the functioning rule. And if we take a look, they tell you what the rule is at the very end. And this is how we do it. It's saying t plus 4. So this is our row t. And we're going to add 4 to get our answer to row v. So if we say 1 plus 4, that would give us 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 4 is 11. Did you notice on the video she said she said 7 plus 3 was 11. I was like, oh, she made a mistake, but no one's perfect, okay? 10 plus 4 is 14, and 30 plus 4 is 34. We added 1 plus 4 because the rule here, that's what it tells you to do, okay? And that's how you get your answers on the bottom. Our next one is Tasha was born in 1982. How old will she be on this year's birthday? Okay, so I'm going to bring this down. All right, so 1982, we skip 10 years, and that'll be 1992. Sorry about that. Then it'll be 2002, 2012. Now 2022 hasn't happened yet. So now we go by once. 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020. Okay, so let's see. There's a 10, there's a 10, 10, and now we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. So now we can add these up. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So Tasha will be 38. All right, so the next problem, what is the name of this geometric shape? Well, if you look at that, it looks like a rectangle, right? But it's 3-dimensional. So we call this a rectangular prism. Okay, how many faces does it have? Now, we're not talking about happy faces or sad faces. In geometry, we're referring to the flat surfaces, okay? So in this rectangular prism, kind of look at the Kleenex box, that might help you. We look at the side, so there's 1, and the other side 2, 3, and 4. Top is 5, bottom is 6. There are 6 spaces. Okay, now we have a pattern. 670, 620, 570, 520, 470. Do you see a pattern? I do. I think it's going to be 420. But what's going to be next? If you guessed 370, you're correct. Okay, now we have a shape pattern. Look at those shapes. If you guessed a rectangle, You are correct. All right, now look at these letters of the alphabet, the A's. Look at what they're doing. It goes A to the right, upside down to the left, up, right. What do you think? If you said upside down, you are correct. Looks like a V with a line through it. Okay, now we have our numbers here. There's 5, 10, 15, 7 blank 17. My goodness. All right, so if we look at the 5, 10, 15, we know that it's by fives. 7 blank 17. 7 plus 5 would be 12, right? 12 plus 5 is 17. Okay, how about the next one? We have 14. All right, 14 plus what is 19? 14 plus 5 is 19. So we must have to take 14 and subtract 5. So think about that. And if you said 14 minus 5 is 9, you are correct. All right, now we have 11 and 16. Looks like we're adding 5. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. Good job. Okay, now we're going to find the products. I'm going to put this down lower. Sorry about that. Okay, so now you have 306 times 7. And here we go. 7 times 6 is 42. You want to put the 4 on top of the 0. Now you know that anything times 0 is 0, right? So 7 times 0 is 0, but 0 plus 4 is going to be 4. 7 times 3 is 21. So this is 2,142. Okay, next one. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 2 is 18. Carry that 1. 4 plus 3 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. 9,384. Okay, now we have 3 times 8,000. We need to think of 3 times 8. 24. And then we add the zeros. 6 times 7 is 42. And we add 2 zeros. That's 4,200. Okay, you guys, please turn in 117B, the homework, and also your fact practice, 117B, and we'll see you later.